Good morning, internet. So it's a bit of a frosty Thursday morning here in lovely Shropshire, and we've got the big delivery coming today from Mickey in Cornwall, and it's the 2 bikes and a load of parts. So it's currently winging its way up to us now, hopefully, and I'm gonna have to make a bit of room in the garage. I really have no idea what I'm gonna do, even short term, because I just don't have enough room. So for today, I'm just going to, I mean, it's a lovely dry day, frosty and cold, but dry nonetheless. So I'm just going to put the 600 out. I might put the Transalp out as well. Move the 550 over, just in readiness for the 2 bikes. And the last message I had off Mickey last night was, I hope you've made a lot of room. So I imagine there's quite a bit of stuff coming. So yeah, brilliant, it's all good. And then we've just got to catalogue it all, haven't we, really, and decide what we're going to do with it all. So it's all going to come in brilliant use. So let's see if we can get the garage sorted a little bit, and then the big reveal later on. I'm very excited about it. I've got a few other friends who are as well, so let's crack on. Thank you. Okay, so I think that'll do. It's like I said, this is only temporary, just until we can get all the stuff in and see how much room we're going to require. So I've put the Transalp up there and the 600s outside as well. I thought we'd get the 2 400s in here just for now, and then we've got the rest of the garage to pile up stuff. So it's like I said, I don't really know how many boxes is coming. We'll just have to see. So it'll be all good fun though, won't it? So yeah, so obviously the Z550 is not going to be staying there. This is literally just for today. I'm working again tomorrow, so we'll just get it all piled up today. I don't know what time Tim's going to be here because he's doing there and back in a day, so that's a lot, isn't it, really, all the way to Cornwall and back. So I don't know what time he's picking up, and I don't know what time. All I know is it's going to be this afternoon, so we'll get the we're ready now. I've moved the cars outside so we can get right up to the garage door, and we'll just get it unloaded, and then over the weekend we'll see where we go. Just as a very brief update, I've reached out to a couple of people with regards to the wiring on the 550. I'm chatting to somebody who's really quite local. I don't want to give any details out now, just in case they don't end up doing it, but yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to sort something out with that chap. Nice guy, I've used him before. Other than that, I've been chatting to Vintage Japanese Motorcycle Club guy. They've got a branch in Shropshire, so I'll put some more details out about that if they want me to. But yeah, so I'm trying to reach out and get some contacts, you know, just so we can push forward with the 550, because I'm going to be eager to get on with the 400s, aren't I, as well. So yeah, I think we'll have enough room for today. Let's just see what happens. So yeah, see you in a bit with the delivery. Well, the delivery has been made. Oh my. Excuse me. So I imagine this is the 600 engine. Sorry, the rebuilt 400 engine. Some GPZ wheels there. Not 600 or 400R, I think the old standard. Another 4-into-1 pipe there. Another half-built engine. Air boxes and everything. I'll have to go through all this tomorrow. This first one's the track bike. That looks in really nice condition, that 400. Right, that's it. It's a bit later than we anticipated. It's 25 to 8, so we'll have a good look tomorrow. Well, it's like I say, I'm working tomorrow, so we'll have to have a good look Saturday morning or tomorrow night. So yeah, great. All right, thanks very much. Bye.